Hey beauties. So the category today is face. So first we're going to start off with prepping the skin. So I want to go in with some toner. And I love the toner with rose water. Next we're going to go ahead and with moisturizer. So first I'm going in with this eye cream. Then I'm going to moisturize with Pond's and my sunscreen. Now you need to make sure you moisturize your skin if you have oily or dry skin. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Power Grip as a primer. Now, listen, this primer is that girl. You need something for your makeup to be able to grip onto. And for this to be a drugstore primer, it's good. Next, I'm going to go in with my setting spray. I just find that this helps me with my makeup lasting all day. And then I'm going to go in with my foundation. First, I pat my foundation in with a brush. And then I will spray it again. And then go ahead and buff it out with a beauty blender. It's going to soak up some of that foundation. I personally don't really like full coverage. So this is what works for me. And you just want to pat that into your skin. Now you want to make sure you're patting the makeup in and not swiping, because when you swipe, it could leave streaks. And next, I'm going in with this Juvia's Place concealer under my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I do not like my upper lip highlighted. That's just me. And now I'm going in with the contour stick, all in the places that I need to contour. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer. I love how I look so focused with blending out this concealer. And don't forget to look up. Look up when you're blending out your concealer. That way you can get into all of those creases. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. And I like to go on top of the line and blend it out. That way the line is not so harsh. And now I'm going to take my foundation brush and blend right between the highlight and contour to remove those harsh lines. So you're going to slowly see that line disappear and just going to blend in together. I've been wanting to use some liquid blush and I don't have any. So I took some lipstick. I just put a little bit on my cheek because I was a little scared. But it came out really pretty. And it was good. Now you want to make sure you blend it out really good. Because you don't want any harsh lines. Now I did have to take my brush and wipe some of that lipstick off. Because it was just too much on that brush. And it was spreading everywhere. So whenever you're using, a makeup brush and you're trying to blend something out, and if it's just not blending, just wipe some of it off and continue blending. And next, I'm going to go in with my translucent powder, but you want to make sure there's no creases under your eye before you set it. Because if so, you're going to set those creases. So just blend out any creases that's there. Then I'm going to go ahead and set everywhere else that I applied concealer. And now I'm going over the rest of my face with my pressed powder just to set everything else. And then I'm going in with the Beauties This dark bronzer palette just to add that warmth back to my face. Going in with the Crayon Case blush binder. Listen, I don't turn into a blush girl, okay? And I need my blush. Even put a little bit of blush on the forehead, okay? Now I'm going in with the pressed powder on a brush to get rid of that translucent powder that was just sitting there. And it's going to also help with that flashback. Go in with some highlighter. And now I'm going to spray my face. Now after I spray my face, I go in with the Beauty Blender to press that setting spray in. The makeup just melts into your skin. Like, it looks really good when I do it this way. Thank you for watching the video all the way through. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.